In this quiet moment of comfort, cool air surrounds the room, calming the senses. But every peaceful breath begins long before it reaches home. That gentle air transforms into motion, energy, and purpose. Comfort fades into creation as precision awakens and engineering takes shape. Behind every perfect breeze lies a world of machines, discipline, and innovation. As dawn rises over Hanoi, the city breathes quietly. Beyond the mist, a place of innovation awakens, ready to transform engineering into everyday comfort. From above, the factory reveals its purpose: clean design, sustainable systems, and architecture built to support precision without compromise. As the gates open, a perfectly timed operation begins, where every second matters and every process follows disciplined order. The day starts in motion as skilled workers arrive, bringing experience, focus, and pride into the heart of manufacturing. Each synchronized step forward reflects teamwork, discipline, and the shared responsibility of creating something exceptional. Inside, preparation unfolds calmly, where organization and readiness set the foundation for precision work ahead. Every glove worn signals care and responsibility, protecting both the product and the hands that shape it. Each step onto the factory floor marks the beginning of exact craftsmanship, grounded in safety and discipline. This emblem stands for decades of trust, innovation, and engineering excellence recognized across the world. The mission of the day becomes clear, guided by data, planning, and an unwavering commitment to quality. Leadership sets direction with confidence, ensuring clarity, focus, and consistency. As the gates open, a perfectly timed operation begins, where every second matters and every process follows disciplined order. The day starts in motion as skilled workers arrive, bringing experience, focus, and pride into the heart of manufacturing. Each synchronized step forward reflects teamwork, discipline, and the shared responsibility of creating something exceptional. Inside, preparation unfolds calmly, where organization and readiness set the foundation for precision work ahead. Every glove worn signals care and responsibility, protecting both the product and the hands that shape it. Each step onto the factory floor marks the beginning of exact craftsmanship, grounded in safety and discipline. This emblem stands for decades of trust, innovation, and engineering excellence recognized across the world. The mission of the day becomes clear, guided by data, planning, and an unwavering commitment to quality. Leadership sets direction with confidence, ensuring clarity, focus, and consistency across every operation. With controlled pressure, the hydraulic clamp closes firmly. A brief release of steam signals precision, power, and absolute control in motion. Time slows as the mold opens, revealing a pristine white air conditioner casing. Form and function emerge together for the very first time. A robotic arm lifts the casing gently, servo motors humming softly. Automation handles every detail with care and consistency. Freshly molded parts rest on the cooling rack as faint steam fades away. Strength and stability settle naturally into shape. The camera glides across the smooth casing surface, flawless and refined. Every curve reflects controlled engineering and premium finish. Indoor grills emerge carefully from the mold, airflow channels shaped with purpose. Design and performance are built into every detail. Up close, fan blades reveal aerodynamic precision. Each edge is engineered to move air efficiently and silently. A skilled worker trims excess material with steady focus. Human craftsmanship perfects what machines begin. Dust particles drift away in slow motion, leaving clean, sharp edges behind. Perfection is refined, not rushed. Finished plastic components align neatly on the trolley. Order and precision prepare them for the next stage. The mold opens again to reveal the long cross-flow fan. Balance and airflow efficiency begin taking form. The camera moves smoothly along the fan's length, highlighting consistent blade angles, uniformity. Pure copper reflects the factory lights, revealing its flawless surface. Purity here is essential because performance depends on what lies within. With rhythmic precision, the hairpin bending machine shapes copper tubes rapidly. Speed and accuracy work together without hesitation. Perfect U-shaped tubes stack neatly, identical in form. Uniformity ensures consistent performance across every single unit. Thin aluminum fins align with razor-sharp precision. Every layer is positioned to maximize heat transfer efficiency. Copper tubes slide smoothly through the aluminum fins in slow motion. Surgical accuracy locks performance into place. The expansion machine enters each copper tube with controlled force. Engineering secures every connection from the inside. The tubes expand tightly against the fins, forming a single solid structure. Strength and efficiency become inseparable. Robotic brazing arms position their flames with exact precision. Heat is applied only where perfection demands it. Silver solder melts smoothly around each joint, flowing evenly. Seals form strong, clean, and permanent. As joints cool, connections solidify flawlessly. Reliability is built into every sealed pathway. Pressurized air tests each coil carefully. Calm surfaces confirm there are no leaks, no weaknesses. An experienced inspector nods in approval. Quality is recognized instantly, without words. The conveyor begins moving as indoor unit assembly starts. The base frame takes its first position. Careful alignment ensures the base fits perfectly on the jig. Precision now defines every following step. The motor is installed into the chassis, screws tightened evenly. Smooth power delivery begins here. The cross-flow fan is mounted gently into place. Balanced airflow becomes part of the structure. A torque-controlled screwdriver secures fastenings precisely. Strength is applied without stress or damage. The heat exchanger is lifted carefully and aligned above the fan. Cooling performance takes its rightful place. The coil settles perfectly, seamless and balanced. Engineering harmony is achieved inside the unit. At the PCB workstation, anti-static protection surrounds delicate electronics. Intelligence is ready to be installed. Technicians connect wires methodically, following clear, color-coded paths. Control and responsiveness take shape. Sensor cables are routed cleanly and organized precisely. Reliability depends on order and clarity. The front casing is positioned carefully above the unit. Design prepares to enclose performance. The casing snaps into place smoothly, sealing perfectly. Form and function unite in one motion. A clear click signals completion. The indoor unit is fully assembled. High-voltage safety probes connect carefully to the system. Electrical integrity is tested without compromise. Digital screens display stable readings across all parameters. Safety and performance are confirmed. An inspector marks the checklist with confidence. Approval moves the unit forward. Steel sheets feed steadily into the stamping press. Raw strength prepares to become protection. The massive press descends in slow motion, shaping metal with immense force. Durability is forged here. A flawless steel casing emerges, perfectly formed. Strength now has structure. In the paint line, casings hang suspended and move forward. Protection meets refinement. Robotic spray arms coat each surface evenly in white. Coverage is smooth, consistent, and precise. Under warm lights, fresh paint cures evenly. Finish and durability are sealed together. A heavy compressor is lifted slowly by a hoist. This is the heart of cooling power. The compressor is placed precisely on the base plate. Balance and stability are essential here. Mounting bolts tighten firmly as vibration isolation becomes visible. Quiet performance is engineered at the core. The large propeller fan is installed carefully, blades perfectly balanced. Air movement takes form. The central nut is torqued securely. Stability is locked into motion. Soundproofing material wraps around the compressor completely. Silence is designed, not accidental. The outdoor unit enclosure closes smoothly around the system. Protection is complete. Finished outdoor units align perfectly on the conveyor. Consistency defines large-scale excellence. Engineers connect refrigerant hoses carefully as gauges begin to move. Preparation meets precision. Refrigerant gas fills the system steadily and under control. Performance is charged with accuracy. Leak detectors scan every copper joint. Silence confirms absolute sealing success. The start button is pressed, anticipation rising. The system prepares to prove itself. The indoor unit powers on smoothly as the display lights glow. A quiet hum signals the beginning of controlled, reliable comfort. The louvers open gracefully in perfect sync, directing airflow with precision and effortless mechanical harmony. A ribbon tied to the vent lifts straight outward, clearly revealing strong, steady, and balanced airflow performance. Thermal imaging reveals evenly distributed cooling across the surface. Performance is not guessed, it is measured and proven. The computer screen confirms full capability, showing 100% efficiency achieved without compromise or fluctuation. The environmental chamber door seals shut, simulating extreme heat conditions that push performance beyond everyday expectations. Inside the chamber, the system runs flawlessly, maintaining stability and comfort even under harsh, demanding conditions. Robotic arms carefully place protective foam guards around the unit, preparing precision engineering for safe travel. A sturdy cardboard box slides smoothly over the unit, fitting snugly to protect every detail inside. Automatic strapping machines seal the box tightly, securing performance for the journey ahead. A Daikin label is applied cleanly and proudly, marking identity, trust, and engineering excellence. A barcode scanner beeps in confirmation, signaling that the unit is logged, tracked, and ready for delivery. Autonomous guided vehicles carry pallets through warehouse aisles, moving quietly and efficiently without interruption. From above, the warehouse reveals perfect organization, where thousands of units wait in structured readiness. A forklift lifts the pallet smoothly into the truck, coordination and care guiding every movement. Truck doors close securely as final checks are completed, sealing confidence inside every shipment. The truck rolls out from the loading dock, bathed in warm evening light, beginning its outward journey. Beyond the gates, the truck exits the factory grounds as the sun sets, marking completion of the process. From behind, the vehicle drives toward the horizon, carrying engineered comfort to homes everywhere. Glowing words fade in with quiet confidence. Engineered for life, designed for comfort. Inside the showroom, comfort meets choice. Bright displays and trusted design guide families toward a cooler, better living experience. At the counter, the decision becomes real. A promise of comfort is sealed, shared through smiles and quiet excitement. The journey continues home, carried with care. What was chosen with trust now arrives, ready to become part of everyday life. Installation begins with precision and confidence. Every tool, every movement ensures comfort is placed perfectly where it belongs. With a gentle hum, cool air fills the room. Smiles settle in, comfort. In this calm moment of comfort, thank you for watching. And thank you for trusting Daikin Air Conditioner to perfect your everyday living.